Hello everyone, my name is Abdellah, and today I want to present my project for the ITS competition. My project is called AI Dream Interpreter. It helps users to understand the possible meaning of their dreams in multiple languages: English, Arabic, French. Includes predefined dreams type. A lot of types of dreams, and has an attractive design, a moon and stars. I built this using Flutter Dart. The interface is simple and the dream interpreter is so easy. Like, I was flying above mountains. You click here and give you what your dream meaning. I saw a snake in my bed. This. Thanks all for watching my project, and I hope you enjoy my project.